like a boss.
Oh, by the way, follow me on Instagram there. I also post, I don't give dating advice, I give life advice there. Like, I just give advice that just comes in my head. So if you guys want extra content, follow me on Instagram. I post there and stuff like that. And, all right, let's begin this. Ladies, gay men, or guys who are from my channel who want to know this shit, let me show you guys how to deal with men breadcrumbing you, all right? This is how you deal with it. And this is an unconventional way, but it's the only necessary way. There's no other way around this, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to do this. And if you guys enjoy this video, yo, subscribe to this channel, support the channel, right? And also I also have an online book club, and I also have a course, the Psychological Game of Attraction. If you want to purchase it, it's on the link below. I also have a free preview on the course on the link below, right? So let's begin. Oh, by the way, let's begin this. This is going to be a call that I had with a client that I helped her overcome, or I helped her deal with a guy who was breadcrumbing her, all right? So let's begin this right now. All right, so what's going on?
Hey, thanks for calling.
Mm-hmm.
Like right away, thanks. So,
yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if you read the message at all?
No. I just got off the live stream. What's going on? I mean, I read that you met a guy, you guys went to an 80s night, and but start from the top.
Okay. Yeah, so I met him a couple months ago. Yeah, we did go out and we had a good night. Yeah. Like we kissed, we didn't do anything else. I ended up looking at his phone like I know I shouldn't have, and I saw that he was talking to another girl.
Well, you were cheated on before?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. But so I looked at his phone and I saw that he was talking to another girl, but whatever. So I was like whatever, I just met this guy, so not a big deal. And so I didn't say anything, but then a couple days later I saw that he like posted something that's kind of vague, like he put like a heart.
Are you guys just dating or official?
No, not even close. Like that was our first, just like meetup.
And you're looking at his phone already?
Yeah, I just want to see if like maybe he was married or I don't know.
Okay. All right. You thought maybe he was married? That was that your thought? Or were you like, who's the bitch? Were you looking for red flags, or were you like, is he gonna cheat on me now? Huh?
Yeah, I was looking for red flags.
Okay, that's fair enough.
Yeah, cause like.
It's a little weird to look at the phone though. I wouldn't recommend it for future reference, but that's okay. It happens, right?
Yeah.
But tell me, keep going though. Keep going.
So anyways, so he posted something, cause I didn't want to tell him I looked at his phone.
Yeah, right.
So, it was just for my personal reference. And then, so I saw something on his Instagram, like he posted like some song with some like romantic lyrics, and it made it look like he was in love with somebody, right?
Okay.
So then that's when I went all crazy, and I was like, I texted him like, what? And I screenshotted that, and I was like, why didn't you tell me like you're seeing somebody already?
Wait a minute. So you FaceTime him?
No, I just screenshotted the thing that he had on Instagram.
What? Get the fuck out of here. I mean, what? Oh, wow. Okay. All right. I want to hear so what happened afterwards.
I admit I had a crazy moment.
No, of course. We know that. That's okay. That happens.
Yeah, and I was like, why didn't you tell me you were seeing anybody, you know? And he was like, what? He's like, I'm not seeing anybody. And he goes, I swear, whatever. And then that's when he was like, well, you know, we should just be friends, you know, we shouldn't kiss anymore. So he's like, that was it. He goes, I guess I was having feelings for you, but we should just be friends. So I was like, damn, I fucked it up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So that was that, and I was like, all right, whatever. So then, ever since then, like, we kind of stopped talking for like a week or so, and then he started texting me like, hey cutie, good morning. And like, I was kind of like, I've been kind of like holding back. Like, I just respond to that text, but I don't like go out and text him.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I hear you.
So I'm just like, oh, good morning. or like, I'm like, hey, like little smiley face.
Mm-hmm.
But and he does it like every other day or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But like, yeah, he doesn't like ask me out, or like he'll send me like a funny meme. So like he's still like.
All right. I mean, it sounds like he just friend zoned you.
Yeah.
Wait, hey man, the way it works is this: you don't accept friend zones. You end the friendship. You're just gonna stop responding to him. Honestly, you know, like you say, I don't want to be your friend. And that's that. Look, never accept friendships from people. Never accept it. That will show strength. You know, honestly, the fact that you're saying no to his friendship will make him reconsider you. You're like, wait a minute, I thought she liked me. You know what I'm saying? You know what's funny is that if you say no to the friendship, it could it may not get him to like you. I don't know, but it might show him that you could like people, but you have the self control to get away from them. That is the only thing you can do, man. You know, like you gotta break up with him. Like stop talking, not break up, but end the friendship. End the friendship. Don't even end it. Just stop responding to the messages. Let him say, hey, why aren't you responding? And be like, I don't want you as a friend. That's all. Not that I want you as a friend, but I'm not looking for friends. And that's that. You know, you got to be very straightforward with him and be willing to lose him. You just have to. Most likely you will lose him. You will. I mean, it doesn't look compatible to me. You know.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. Yeah. And today, oh yeah, and then the other thing was, okay, a couple of days ago, he sent me a picture of himself, this kind of stirred up stuff. He sent me a picture of himself, which was kind of not provocative. He was obviously trying to like do something. He was clothed, but and then I was like, oh, I'm like, you look nice. Your eyes look really nice. And then he goes, so when is the next time I can kiss you?
Kiss you?
I know.
You guys only kiss?
Yeah.
Wait. Where are you? Where are you guys from? Are you guys like part of a religion or something?
What?
How old are you guys? How old are you?
No. Okay, no. Okay, so I'm 30.
And how old is he?
We're both 30. And
Is he mature?
Is he what?
Is he like a mature person?
Yeah.
Dude, I find it weird that some dude just wanting to kiss. That is weird. I don't know. Don't you find that weird? Don't you find it weird when he doesn't try to make a move or something?
Yeah. A little bit.
Is he gay? Does he look kind of gay?
No, he's not.
Does he have kids?
No.
Look, man, this is anytime we have to ask so many questions about the dude, it's not good. It's just not good. Like a kiss. I mean, has he even tried to have sex with you?
No. Well, okay. No.
Wow.
I mean, that's kind of why I was intrigued with him, because he wasn't trying to have sex. But
oh shit, man.
What?
Can me ask you? Have you seen his penis?
He has one.
Okay.
No, but okay. So on our first date, when we kissed, it wasn't just a kiss. It was like very passionate, and like there was like ear nibbling, neck nibbling. I did like.
But from you, neck nibbling, right? Not from him.
Yeah, and he did that back too, and like, yeah, we were doing that.
Oh, so it sounds like all right. That's pre-game. I mean, that's foreplay.
Yeah.
And who stopped it?
Huh?
Who stopped it?
Okay, this is the weird part. Like, he was drinking, and, like, I did. Like, I kind of started, like, cuddling with him after, you know? Because I didn't want to, like, go and have sex with him. So I started kind of, like, slowing down and cuddling. And then, like, he was laying back in my car, and he passed out. He fell asleep because he was drinking.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think you would have even had sex with him, even if you wanted to. I don't know, there's some things you can't explain about people. Some people have trauma. He may have, I don't know. It could be anything. The point is that he's not interested in you, man. You gotta, I mean, it's on top of that, you can't even get him hooked with sex. I mean, nah, man. Find somebody else who has sex without you having to call a dating coach, man. This dude sounds, I don't know, man. There's better catches out there, you know.
Yeah, well, yeah, no, I don't want to have sex with him. Like,
No,
well, I do.
listen. It's not the sex is not the problem. The problem is why doesn't he want to have sex? Like, what's the logical reasoning that doesn't lead to you being another animal? Like, it's like it makes no sense. I mean, maybe he's like one of those people that doesn't like sex. I don't know.
No. Okay, so he was very sexual that night. Like,
look, man, people could act sexual until the time comes and they bitch out, you know. So, you know how people are with text and then you see them in person. I just think I don't know. I mean, it's. What do you want to understand them? What is it?
no, I just want to like. Okay, so the point was the reason actually like I called today was because I posted a picture of me and my friend out last night, and some other guy commented, so which one of you is single? And so that provoked him. He's never commented on my Instagram to say, yeah, that's a good question. And I was like, why does, like, he's kind of like there but not, and I don't
Yo,
know.
are you like afraid to call him out? It sounds like he's playing games, man.
Yeah, he is.
Why don't you just tell him that? Like, dude, you're playing games, aren't you? You know, and look, man, this is what I would do if I was you. I don't know if you're gonna do this, but you need to raise your value. And so what I would do, just confront them like, you're playing games. It sounds like you're playing games, man. Because even commenting my friend who's asking me I'm single, that's my friend. Why would you say that? Are you playing games? He's go, oh, I'm not playing games. You know what, man? Don't call me no more. And end it on that note. Because then he's gonna feel like he caused it. And as a result, it may make him feel like he can make this work again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I was like, hey man, what the fuck, man? Why would you say that? That's my friend, man. I mean, you know, like even say, hey, I may want to see him. Why would you do that? You know, like, you know, like it's almost like, dude, like we're cool, but we're not that cool. You know, like you set those boundaries. I'm telling you, he's getting up because he feels confident. You're making him, he's getting away with everything. So it's like a child who his parent doesn't discipline.
Mhm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very simple. Just call him out, man. Like, look, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Are you playing games and you know it? And I know you're playing games. Don't lie to me, man. And just be like that. Act like you know that he's playing games. Because you know what's gonna happen? He's gonna if he texts, he's gonna say, fuck, I can't show her I'm playing games. You know so he's gonna start responding faster. Right?
Uh-huh.
He's gonna stop doing all that bullshit. Because then you're gonna say, hey man, you're playing those games. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, should I do that over text or call?
Don't initiate contact. Don't, the only way you're talking to him is if you randomly see him or he hits you up. You know?
Okay.
The point is that
He hit me up this morning also saying, good morning, cutie, again.
Okay, I would say, look, I would give him a call. No, let me see. No, actually, no. Let me hear. I would say, hey, actually, yeah, I will give him a call. You know? And if he doesn't pick up, say, call me when you see this. And then say, hey, that comment that you said, what was that all about? Do you know who that's one of my good friends. Like, act as though you're a friend of my friend. You know, like, almost as though you've gone too far. You know, make him feel guilty. You know, because when you do that, you automatically put him in a position where he's trying to please you. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And that's, hey man, this is a pretty good strategy, in all honesty.
Yeah,
you know, so it's a, how can I say this? Yeah, give it a try, see what happens. All right.
That sounds good. All right. Thank you.
Any more questions? Any more questions?
No, I think that's good.
All right. Well,
Thank you very much.
You know where to find me, man. All right. And if you're, oh, by the way, if you have you purchased my online course? I don't know if you have.
No.
No. Oh, that's a shame. Well, I'll give you a huge discount if you want. If you ever want to purchase it, I'll give you 75% off if you want. Because you're a client, so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but if you are, just message me and I'll send you the coupon code, and that's that. All right.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You be safe. Bye bye.
Bye.
All right, people, that's it, man. If you guys want, that coupon is not for you guys. All right. If you guys want one-on-one coaching like this, go to mindfulattraction.org and you guys will be able to get coached by me individually, just like this. All right. And you can get a discount by putting a code like she did, which enables me to post it on YouTube like right now. All right. Well, people, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. Have a great day. Ladies, gay men, or guys who are from my channel who want to know this shit, let me show you guys how to deal with men breadcrumbing you, all right? This is how you deal with it. And this is an unconventional way, but it's the only necessary way. There's no other way around this, all right? So I'm going to show you how to do this. And if you guys enjoyed this video, yo, subscribe to this channel, support the channel, right? And also I have an online book club, and I also have a course, the psychological game of attraction. If you want to purchase it, it's on the link below. I also have a free preview on the course on the link below, right? So let's begin. Oh, by the way, let's begin this. This is going to be a call that I had with a client that I helped her overcome, or I helped her deal with a guy who was breadcrumbing her, all right? So let's begin this right now.